Hey, what's up? I'm Tim. I run Nerd Inc. and I developed this guy. This is Scooter, the 9.8-inch 3D printable RC racing jet boat. It is powered by the PICO-1 micro water jet propulsion system that I developed. And I just wanted to go over a couple of features here. So the boat, you may look at this and say, holy crap, I've never seen self-righting in a sub 10-inch boat. Yes, my friend, you are correct. And now we have it. So we do have self-righting in this hull, which means if you flip it over in the water, it will flip over all by itself, so no more swimming for you unless you want to. The drive itself is a standalone unit, meaning that it can fit in anything so long as it has a 2mm thick transom wall here. And I did that to be able to encourage development of other hulls throughout the community. You know, I don't want to have all sorts of proprietary stuff. I want you guys to be able to take it and make what you want. So the drive is a 20mm drive. It has a 2-stage dual blade progressive pitch impeller. It is a fully water-cooled system. I'll show you that under the hood here in a minute. We do have low backlash steering here with swappable nozzle plates to adjust trim. We have a ride plate here with integrated trim tabs, which also allow you to adjust the trim on the hull. Pretty much both of those features just allow you to adjust the riding attitude of the vessel depending on different water conditions. This is a true planing hull, so we can see these chine strakes here. This guy functions, it sits kind of low in the water at rest, and then when you hit the gas, we create a favorable dynamic pressure under here that lifts the boat out of the water to reduce wetted surface, reduce drag, and increase velocity. This is a monolithic hull, which means it prints in one shot on any printer that is 256 cubed, which is most of them. Let's see, it's cheap. I made this thing to be cheap. Like RC boats are super cool, but by God, they can get expensive. So I used super easily sourceable parts from Amazon. I used M2 hardware to make things easy. So everything can be sourced from Amazon. I am offering parts kits to be able to assemble this thing. They're on the website. If you're building like 5 of these things, by all means, go through the parts kit list and buy the bulk stuff. Because on Amazon, you can't just buy, 15 M2 screws and 1 drive shaft and all this stuff. You have to buy it in packs. So if you're going to be making multiple boats, that is absolutely the way to go. If you're just going to be making one, I put these parts kits up for you guys to save you enough money to be able to cover the cost of the electronics. The parts kits are going to be 25 bucks. I am also offering the option, it is a slight upcharge because it takes my time and it's a little frustrating, but I am going to offer the option to pre-mill the flat spots on your drive shaft and your steering shaft here. So that is an option there over in the parts kits product page. Now let's take a look on the inside of this bad mamma jamma. This is powered by a 4S 2200 milliamp 130C rated battery. It utilizes a 2845 2600 kV motor. It is fully water cooled, as I had mentioned, so we have water cooling for the ESC, where is it up in here, and also the cooling jacket. I tried to save you guys a couple bucks by utilizing a 3D printed cooling jacket, which at first was supposed to be a cost-effective thing, and then after a lot of iterative testing and empirical data collection, I found that these 3D printed, this specific 3D printed water cooling jacket outperforms the Amazon equivalent. Please excuse me, I left my receiver on and it likes to beep at me when I do that. So, yeah, I mean, this is a living project. I'm releasing it this coming Monday, which is August 20-something. I don't even know. I've been running around like headless chicken getting everything ready for launch. So I'm not just going to launch this thing and forget it. There's going to be continual upgrades to this platform with the drive and the hull itself. And I'm working right now on a slightly larger pump that accommodates a 12-inch hull as well. So for all you folks that want to see something just a little bit bigger, maybe in between this and the size of the other awesome high performance 14-inch jet boats on the market, I'm going to come up with a nice little happy medium there for y'all. So yeah, thanks for listening. Nice to meet you. Thanks for considering being part of this journey, because this is going to be cool, man. I'm going to try to try to make the coolest sub 10-inch RC boat ever for you guys. That's 3D printable, of course. And yeah, so thanks for your time. See you later.